Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to chapter number 10, that is urbanization. We have seen different consequences of urbanization, different advantages and disadvantages of urbanization. Now we'll proceed to problem of urbanization. What is the problem occurs in the urbanization? First of all, in urbanization and in urban areas there are slums. Because of urbanization, the population in the city increase rapidly, but the housing facilities do not increase in the same proportion as the population. Most of the migrated people are economically weak. They cannot afford the housing offered in the cities. Migrate people have generally come for the employment, but it is not necessary that they get relevant jobs. Hence, income are very low. Such people build temporary and semi structures house in the open spaces. You can see the figure in 10.2. This the condition of the slum. See what happened, in urbanization, the people from migrated people come in urbanization and to get the settle down there. But what happened there? They don't have a proper source of income. They don't have a proper employment facilities. What happened then? They have to live in an open place. They have to make the housing in that a way that they can afford it, because they can have the cheap housing, plus all the facilities like water and this all can available there. So they have to do the proper employment there. Then such people build temporary and semi structures. Exactly, temporary places are there. They migrate from one place to another quite oftenly. These houses are mostly illegal. They do not get the basic facilities from the self local government. The density of the house is very high. Roads are narrow. There is a lack of basic facilities. For example, like I said, the water detentions, or you can say even the what you can say the washroom facilities and the bathroom facilities. They don't have proper government or elected electricities. So these are the problem. They are mostly illegal. They live in a house which is illegal. They can move and they can migrate from one place to another. It's very easy for them. These slums keeps on rising uncontrollably. This may give rise to the social and the health related issue. Obviously, the slum people, they don't get the proper, they don't have to maintain the proper hygiene things, and even they don't get the proper medical facilities and different other facilities. Because of that, they have to face the self related problem also and health related problem also. This is the first problem which occurs in the urbanization, and the second one is traffic jam. As cities grow, people start living in the outskirts and the suburbs of the city. People compete from the suburbs to the center of the city for businesses and industry, trade, job, education, etc. Public transportation system is not sufficient, and hence the number of private vehicles increases. This leads to an increase in the traffic jam, and traveling time increases significantly. See the 10.3 figure. See, this is the if you see the example of Mumbai, there is a traffic. If you are stuck in traffic, you have to leave there at least for half an hour, 1 hour when it is the weekday. That means the people who are doing job, they are the one who is doing regular employment or regular job, they have to face this problem. Because of the traffic, they have to leave their house very early just to get into the job in a proper timing, because this is the basic situation. Nobody can help. Traffic jam is the thing which you cannot control, but you have to manage your time accordingly, because there are many people who comes because of job, education, or maybe different kind of sources. And what is the problem? The public transport, it's not sufficient for them, because there are lots of people who travels from train to bus to the automobiles, auto and all. So they have to come with the private vehicles. So this is the problem. We get this traffic jam very oftenly. Then population, the third problem which faced by urbanization. Population is a major problem in the cities. It has adverse effects on urban life. Air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution are clearly visible. Increase in the development of the city. Paucities of facilities and breaking of laws makes pollutions a big problem. As cities grow, pollution also increases. See, if the population is there, you have to face the three main pollution thing, that is air, water and noise pollution. If you'll see the example of traffic jam, what happened? Because of the traffic, the air pollution has keep increasing. Everybody wants to go at first place, so they don't pay the proper attention on the laws. Then if you'll see the slum area, what happened? The water pollution, because they wash their clothes anywhere, they take bath anywhere. So this is the pollution for for water. Then it comes the noise pollution, that all the horns you see on the traffic jam without knowing any. The cars and the bikes are keep on starting, and they are making noise, and they are making air is air pollutions and the noise pollution, unnecessary horn. Because if you are in traffic jam, you have to be keep mum and not to pay attention, not to give horns unnecessarily. So this is the third problem. And the fourth last one problem is crime. Obviously, the people who have migrated people do not always find employment in the cities. Some of them look for the means to earn money through illegal ways. This leads to an increase in the crime rate of cities. Thieves, burglaries, scuffles, and the murderers are the crime that happens in the city. These lead to the serious law and order issues, bringing pressure on the police and judicial system. Beside the above problem, enormous increase in the land price, struggle between the various groups, etc. create tension in the cities. This can disturb the social harmony of the city. Now the crime. See, if you have a family, you will think you will commit crime. If you will commit crime, or if you are thinking to do committing the crime, what happen? You'll give a second thought to about related with your family, related with your relatives and all. But the person who's migrated from one place to another, they don't have any backward background, or they don't have to worry about their families and all. They select the crime thing because they don't have a proper employment. So this is the thing. They goes to the illegal ways, and they started earning money through this illegal process. So they don't pay attention to the judicial system. What are the crime, what are the laws and order. Even they can give what you can say corruption. They give importance to corruption. And this is why the corruption is keep on increasing, because of these kind of people who are migrated from one place to another just to move in the urbanization. So this is the number of the problem. Now the land prices increases because we don't have place to live. The people are keep building on they're cutting trees, and they are making up buildings. Why? Because we don't have a sufficient place to live. So this all will disturb your social harmony of the city. We'll see till here. Next we'll continue in next lecture. Thank you.